This is the rapid evolution of Unitree, from bipedal versions to real-world operations. And stay tuned, because at the end, we revealed a surprise commercial robot. To understand how Unitree achieved this massive leap, we must look back at the pioneer H2 platform. Unitree is positioning the H2 not as a laboratory prototype, but as the ultimate worker for heavy industry, a true beast that redefines what a bipedal robot can endure, defining how a machine should move, balance, and interact with the world. Many overlook the legacy H2 today because it looks rugged and mechanical. But its core software and early tests are the reason why Unitree dominates the global robotics market right now. Without the lessons learned from this beast, the agile humanoids taking over social media simply wouldn't exist. The H2 project allowed their team to master robotic balance under pressure. It proved that a heavy bipedal structure could navigate our world efficiently, setting the stage for a mass production revolution and closing the gap between science fiction and our daily reality. And that brings us to the ultimate game changer. But if you thought Unitree was going to sit back and watch the competition, the H2 arrives to prove who's boss in the brute strength and stability category. We are looking at a massive generational leap. It's not just that it's faster or that its motors have a savage torque weight capable of moving heavy loads without flinching. It's that its fluidity of movement is terrifying. Look at how it manages balance on complex terrain. The integration of its new control AI allows it to predict impacts before they even happen. The Unitree G1. When this humanoid was announced, it shocked the tech community by launching at just $16,000. This redefined affordable robotics, proving humanoids are no longer exclusive to multi-million-dollar laboratories. Now anyone can own one. The G1 stands at 127 centimeters and weighs approximately 35 kilograms. This masterpiece of compact engineering fits perfectly into human spaces, running on an internal power system to perform complex physical tasks without needing a constant cable connection. Don't let its size fool you. Its internal motors deliver up to 120 Newton-meters of torque. This strength allows the G1 to execute ultra-fast recovery from falls, perform deep crouches, run steadily, and even execute impressive dynamic jumps without losing its balance. To navigate, the G1 relies on an electronic brain powered by an integrated 3D LiDAR radar and high-definition depth cameras. This setup allows the onboard AI to process spatial data in real time, instantly mapping surroundings, tracking objects, and navigating uneven or slippery terrain seamlessly. What this model is doing is breaking the rules of the market. Its ability to fold completely and unfold in seconds looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. But what's truly revolutionary is in its hands. Those high-precision grippers, combined with a price tag meant to crush the competition, make it the perfect candidate to enter mass production for labs, businesses, and who knows, maybe our homes very soon. The G1 didn't come to be an internet meme. It came to prove that an advanced robot can be compact, ultra-efficient, and above all, real. Unitree loves to showcase this physical agility in spectacular ways, frequently turning product presentations into a festival of synchronized movement that goes viral worldwide. Watching a fleet of dozens of G1 units jumping, dancing, and performing backflips in perfect harmony proves how precise their AI systems truly are, moving together like a single collective mind. It makes you wonder about the future of automated labor. Honestly, watching all those robots dance gives you a serene sense of peace. But don't get too comfortable, because this technology is about to take a very dramatic and tactical turn. Straight out of that peaceful festival, the technology takes a major tactical shift. Unitree's hardware platform is so versatile that specialized military versions are already undergoing rigorous testing behind closed doors, proving agility can be weaponized. These tactical variants are upgraded with reinforced materials and low-visibility coatings. Operating on advanced neural networks, these units are designed to execute dangerous scouting missions, carry tactical gear, and navigate hostile environments, keeping human soldiers out of harm's way. But defense isn't the only area where this platform can change lives. High-risk rescue and security operations are where this technology shines. The specialized firefighting variant is built to endure extreme environments that would be fatal to any human, operating smoothly inside high-temperature fire zones and thick smoke. Its sensors allow it to locate victims through walls, navigate crumbling debris, and deploy tools directly at the core of a fire where human rescue teams cannot survive. At the same time, specialized security versions equipped with thermal and night vision are being deployed for fully autonomous patrols in public spaces. These untiring guardians can work 24/7 without ever losing focus. They monitor restricted areas for hours, automatically detecting anomalies while streaming real-time data to command centers, raising a profound question: how much privacy are we willing to trade for safety? But Unitree wasn't done shaking up the market. Just when everyone thought the $16,000 G1 was the absolute limit for consumer robotics, they blindsided the tech world again with the stunning Unitree R1. This brand-new humanoid features a beautifully sleek, futuristic bipedal design, moving away from rugged industrial aesthetics and leaning into a friendly, consumer-ready form. But the real shockwave is the price tag, launching at an unbelievable $4,900. Unitree has officially turned science fiction into an affordable reality for schools, developers, and tech enthusiasts worldwide. While the base models are ready to go straight out of the box, Unitree also offers a specialized EDU version, specifically designed for secondary software development and advanced AI customization. It's an aggressive, historic move that lowers the barrier to entry like never before. With the R1 starting shipments right now, in June 2026, the race to put a functional humanoid in every laboratory and home has officially begun. The mighty Unitree H1. This machine stands at roughly 180 centimeters tall and broke world speed records for its category, running at over 3.3 meters per second. It serves as Unitree's platform for heavy-duty research, proving that full-scale automation is much closer to our daily lives than we think. And finally, we have arrived at the massive surprise, the innovative Unitree R1-D. This model represents a completely new, disruptive direction for the brand. By combining a functional dual-arm humanoid upper torso with a highly mobile commercial wheeled base, Unitree created a hyper-practical hybrid machine. It completely skips the high-energy cost of walking on two legs, allowing the battery to focus entirely on task execution and efficiency. Given Unitree's history of low prices, they will likely release this robot at a price so low that small businesses can actually afford them. This means the R1-D is uniquely positioned to be the first robot you will actually interact with in public spaces. In the hotel industry, these robots will handle check-ins and provide room service. In restaurants, a single R1-D can navigate crowded tables, carrying heavy trays of food with perfect balance. They will also be used in retail stores as interactive guides, changing millions of service jobs forever. What are your thoughts on this rapid evolution? Would you feel comfortable being served by an R1-D robot the next time you visit a restaurant? Before the algorithm or someone cuts my head off, subscribe. You know, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and see you in the future.
Just this one poem, like a voicemail to the moon.